The year is 2020. The City of London is layered with a multitude of different stories and identities. Through architecture, we are able to create spaces within the city that facilitate belonging, interaction, sharing, and participation. On average, roughly 200,000 people migrate to London yearly. My interest has always been how people make a home for themselves in unfamiliar places. Today, with 7,000 people sleeping on the streets of London and roughly 150,000 more living in insecure or problematic accommodation, it's an increasingly rare privilege to be able to retreat into the privacy of your own home. In light of the pandemic and working remotely, one has to start questioning the relationship between people and their homes, and how internal spaces can be adapted in different ways. My proposition is a home away from home. It reimagines existing council-owned housing estates by improving the quality of life of current residents, aiming to integrate living and work through socialist principles. Fundamentally, the all-inclusive proposal aims to diffuse the housing crisis at a time where homelessness is soaring high in the wealthiest of countries, the UK. It is a movement that is part of the environment, part of the equality, part of the community, and part of the culture. Celebrating traditional vernacular forms, techniques, and materials, the scheme aims to encourage people to feel responsible and empowered in their own neighborhood. The proposal aims to establish a new architectural standard for social housing in the UK through designing new forms and techniques that support the re-engaging of traditional construction methods whilst overlapping it with contemporary technologies of the 21st century. Why are mud brick and rammed earth not extensively used in London for ordinary buildings like offices and houses? This is a question I ask myself often. Raw earth is the most ancient material of construction and is still part of third world building processes. Construction powered by digital technology can help us safely create sustainable, high-quality housing at speed. Thanks to 3D printing, the process allows to minimize the amounts of concrete in foundation, while still complying with structural standards. Using big data and artificial intelligence throughout the design and construction process can transform the building sector and help us provide sustainable, affordable housing for all.